Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me and today we are gonna do a room tour. So let's go. Over here you can see when we come in, there's a bed. It's a bit rummaged up, It's bit rummaged. Over here we have got two books. Actually you will get one book on one of the authors the room is named on. Here we have Her Journey Within and V.S. Naipaul's book. Over here you got some tea, coffee things and powdered milk. And then also you have got this scenery over here. You can just, sit down and have tea, coffee. Or just sit down and just discuss. It's going to be a pretty good place if it rains. You can order them for, like chai pakoda and all. So that's a pretty good addition over there. Then this is the bed which is amazing. Television, Tata Sky. Over here we got the key card, and then the washroom, the place that I love the most of this place. It's so clean. So I hope you like the video and don't forget to like, subscribe.